naging very careless kasi number one na carelessness yung si Vice President Duterte. Hindi hiningal lang naman siya ng paliwanag tungkol sa confidential funds. Had she come out cleanly on this and transparently and with accountability, hindi siguro ito nangyari. Kung sinabi lang niya na ito ang pinagkagastusan ko, but hindi may haughtiness, may arrogance na I can live without it. And then number two, biglang sinabi, oh, those who are against it are against the peace and therefore are enemies of the people. Eh, di pag ginawa mo yun, tapos sasabihin mo ngayon, ay withdraw mo na dahil divisive. Sino ba ang nag-create ng division? Hindi ba siya? Dahil brinand niya lahat ng katulad ninyo naghahanap lang ng accountability. Tinawag na tayong kaaway ng bayan, di ba? That is what created the division. I think it was a miscalculation on the part of President.
Was that an implosion, Prof? Ibig sabihin, ito sa self-inflicted injury?
It was an indication that she's not ready. She's not ready for a national
to be president.
Game.
Even for VP?
Well, I think so. Kasi parang for a politically mature person, you're not going to do that. You're going to strike. Sanay kasi ang Duterte sa bargas politics, yung babangga. Diba? Yung pag hindi mo gusto, sapukin mo. Pag hindi mo gusto, murahin mo. Hindi sila sanay doon sa politika ng appeasement, politika ng, giving in, etc. And for Filipino, the culture, although gusto natin ang nambubuo ng babargas, pero mas gusto din natin yung tahimik at medyo magandang nakikiusap. Now, lalong pinalalayan ng Pangulong Duterte, sapagkat ang Pangulong Duterte, nung ginawa niya, nung lumabas siya, inaway niya ang Kong House. At nagsalita pa siya ng kampanya ba siya na huwag na magbayad ng buwis. And the worst thing that could even happen is that at a time when we have a very raw feeling against China, right? Because right now, we now see right in our very eyes,
what's happening?
Us. In the past, hindi nangyayari kasi ang mga media hindi naman pinapa-embed nun sa mga barko na.
Correct. Yun po yung
ngayon, nakita mo doon si Sandra, nakikita mo doon si Joseph Moro, nakita mo doon ibang mga reporters, makikita mo doon kung paano tayo
kanyunin, bangga-banggain.
Kahit sinong Pilipino, masasaktan sa ganun. And then, lalabas ka, sasabihin mo, bakit pa kasi natin pinagkakaanuan yan? Tubig lang yan. You simply do not say that. This is the worst thing that you could ever say.